Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the PySpark series. Imagine this. You're working in a real company. Your manager comes to you and says, Ram, before sending this report to the business team, rename this column. Add today's company name to every record. And also convert salary from string to integer. Now imagine you don't know how to do any of this. Trust me, these are not advanced tasks. These are things data engineers do almost every single day. And today, we are going to learn all three in one video. So first of all, let me tell you something. Whenever you are working on ETL pipeline, you'll almost never use just one transformation. You will use multiple transformations together. For example, renaming a column, changing a data type, adding a constant value, calculating another column, clean null values. Everything happens one after another. That's why today, instead of learning just one function, we are learning three related functions together. So by the end of this video, you will know what alias is, what lit is, what cache is, when companies use them, common beginner mistake, and interview questions. And don't worry, as always, everything will be explained with simple examples. Let's start our coding. As always, starting with Spark session and giving app name as transformation. As you're already aware of this, if you are not, please go and watch my previous video. Next, creating sample data. Right now, notice something. Salary is actually a string. We'll use this data frame throughout today's video. So now, what is alias? Alright, let's start with alias. Now you may be wondering, why do we even need another name? That's a good question. Sometimes you don't want permanently rename a column. You only want another name while displaying the result. That's exactly what alias does. I'll give you just a simple analogy. Imagine your friend Rahul at school. Everyone calls him Rahul, but at home his parents call him Chintu. Did Rahul change? No, right? Only the name used in that situation changed. Alias works exactly like that. Next is code. See, our original data frame still has name, salary. Only while displaying Spark showed another name. That's it. Now real company examples. In dashboards, companies don't want technical names like cust_name, employee_SAL, transaction amount like this. Instead, they prefer full name, customer name, employee salary, transaction amount. Alias helps us to do that. The next is lit. Now let's learn another very useful function, lit. Now imagine your manager says, Ram, add one more column. Every employee belongs to the Bangalore office. Now every row should have the same value. Can we do that? The answer is yes. I'll give you a simple analogy. Imagine your school, every student city is Bangalore. Instead of writing Bangalore manually every time, we simply code the same value. That's exactly what lit does. See this code. Here notice every single row got Bangalore. Exactly the same value. Company example. Company uses lit for country, source system, load date, department, age, and pipeline version. These are very common. Now let's come to our last function, cached. Remember, our salary column is still string, right? Now suppose tomorrow we want to calculate bonus. Can Spark calculate bonus correctly if salary is text? Not really. We first convert it into integer. See in this code, earlier salary was string, now it's integer. Why? Why important? In real companies, data comes from CSV files. CSV stores almost everything as text. But business calculations need integer, double, date, timestamp, and boolean. That's why cached is one of the most frequently used functions. One mistake beginners make is they forget to convert data type, then suddenly calculations don't behave as expected. So before performing any calculations, always check your schema. Interview questions. What is the difference between alias and with column renamed? The answer is the alias changes the name only for the current output or operations, whereas with column renamed actually changes the data frame's column name. That's the difference. Now I'll give you professional tips. If you're working in a company, remember these three things. Use alias while writing reports and joins. Use lit whenever you need a constant value, and use cached before calculations. These three functions appear in almost every production ETL pipelines. So we'll do a quick recap. So today we learned three very important transformations. Alias, used for temporary names. Lit, used to add constant values. Cached, used to convert data types. Now you already know three functions that powerful data engineers use almost every day. In today's video, we learned how to rename columns temporarily, add constant values, and convert data types. But in real projects, we also spend a lot of time cleaning and manipulating text. Examples: how do you combine a first and last name? How do you split an email address? How do you separate values like laptop, mobile, tablet into individual items? That's exactly what we will learn in the next video, using three more powerful PySpark functions: concat, concat_ws, split. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. We are learning here step by step. And thank you for watching this video.